chase. Told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave. Had to find a way to change. Had to leave to find my way.
I'm gonna drive like a human being.
What's that mean?
Like a 6-foot man with regular legs.
I'm a
giant.
I'm a 6-foot man with irregular legs.
Well, if you look at your feet there, we got some tools.
Yeah, we these were missing from your house.
Tools combined with some sunshine and a lack of snow means, well, several things, but for us, it means we're switching tires.
Yes.
But not on every Porsche.
No, because this car, it's the daily driver and needs to be in perfect driving condition to drive in any situation.
So I'm switching out the Cayenne, so when we get snow later this week, I guess to all you viewers, you're welcome. Spring has sprung, which means we go from a scrawny looking 265 back to the all worked out, pumped up, been at the gym 295s.
Why are you talking trash on 265s?
Well, because only children have 265s. Stay with that for a minute. Watch this cold start.
My rears are 265s, guys.
I mean, maybe that's super impressive.
Not compared to my car.
I blame it on the 50-degree weather. If it was negative 50, it would sound mean. What do you say we change some tires?
Let's do it.
And then maybe do an oil change on the Miata?
Yeah.
And see if our neighbors end up taking out their Corvettes.
That would be cool.
Today's video has been sponsored by Arnold Palmer. Pick yours up at your nearest convenience store. As you can tell by the work attire that we have on, it appears that I am the work and he is the advertisement.
Yes.
So I don't know how this always happens, but somehow the old youngster sure thinks a lot.
I plan these things. I avoid the manual labor.
Let's do a quick side here and do a snap to the finished product, because we got the regulation switched off, the air suspension is not going to go all goofy, and the viewers already know what it's like to change some tires.
They do, but they will see what the finished product looks like. You know what I see?
A job well done.
I see change. It has happened. Look at those.
I mean, in the blink of an eye, in the YouTube world,
Yeah.
we got it. What do you say we take it for a test drive? We're torqued 118. We got 39 pounds in the front, 49 in the rear. Let's go get some oil for the Miata and just keep this workday going.
Oh yeah.
Well, we got the summer 21-inch programmed in. Hopefully the tire pressures at some point remember that they're there.
Hopefully.
Oh, now that we're in summertime,
Sport
Sure,
mode
sport
engaged.
look at that impressive collection of cars.
Yeah. Wouldn't say it's as impressive as theirs. They have a.
Here, let's go over that way. Our fun neighbors.
So they have a white C8 in the driveway right now.
And then they also have a 1 of 500 yellow C7R, I think is what it's called.
That is, I hadn't heard of that car before they moved in near you, and I like pride myself in knowing at least like 95% of the cars on the road, even when they're not American cars. Like, I mean, cars not available to America. And I didn't know about that one, so that's pretty rare.
They have an impressive collection.
Yeah, I think ours is better though.
I do agree. Well, thanks so much for your help. I'm glad that you washed your hands too, because you must have gotten some dust on them or something from all the hard work you did.
Yep.
Putting the new tires
I
on.
can't have dirty hands. I'm the face of the channel.
That is true. Let's bring this thing out a little bit, go get some oil, and on to our next project.
Caught up in a daydream, I leave my mind up there almost daily. Solitaire time, no opinion, safety. So I understand what I want, it's spacey. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things. What could go wrong? One thing brings luck. Success is a finicky thing. If you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down.
Quinn's looking for all the parts to get this thing oil changed.
I see you change your shirt.
I'm still the beauty queen.
If that's any indication of how this process is gonna go,
It's gonna go great.
this should go pretty quick.
Yep, if there's any malfunctions, we'll show you. Otherwise, you'll see us when it's done.
Hey, if it's working, you'll see our hair blowing in the breeze.
My hair.
We'll see you in a couple seconds. Welcome to the second paid sponsor of the day, Mobile One High Mileage, for all your high mileage needs. I'm so confident that this car is gonna start. Putting the old shades on.
So here's the question of the day. Does it start?
Remember last year we had the
Clutch problem?
clutch?
Oh, it did it! It won!
Oh! Let's see if the clutch works.
Yes! It's going in and out of gears. That was aggressive.
It's pretty tight.
It's a pretty tight clutch.
Oh! Because we're moving,
Seatbelts.
seatbelts for safety.
After feeling that clutch of work of yours.
Hey, awkward high five. I might need sunscreen on.
Nice work.
Per the manufacturer, you gotta let her rip, tater chip.
That's exactly what it says in the manual.
After every oil change, let her rip, tater chip.
Yep. 100%.
The clutch feels a little weird, but
It's
it's
fine.
just different than yours.
Yeah.
It doesn't have much of a release point or anything.
Yeah, I remember that.
It's just on or off.
Yeah, you gave me crap for stalling it all the time.
I mean, every time you stall it, I gotta find some reason to give you crap. 140,326 miles.
Wow, that's up there.
We got some oil seepage, but it helps it breathe.
Yes.
It's not as much bad to. You don't need to do several oil changes.
You just gotta keep.
You just gotta add a little. Actually, I don't know that I had to add any oil last year.
I didn't. You didn't.
You know-
Not that I can remember.
You know what we do need to do is we have to fix this window still this year.
We've told them. How many times? Like, I bet one of you knows how many times we've told you, because it's been in a lot of videos that we're gonna fix this every winter.
I'm kind of waiting for Santa Claus just to do it. I can't believe what we did today. You know what we didn't do is check the tire pressures.
Yeah, it's fine.
Ah, let her rip, tater chip. Didn't say after an oil change, check the tire pressure. What a productive day.
Yeah.
The last thing we have to do is the tire pressures on old Lamia.
Yes. He's complaining about the clutch. I think he'll be fine.
Mess up my hair.
I don't know what I was saying anymore. You really threw me off. Oh.
Anyways, the clutch is feeling a little bit weird, but we're probably not going to fix it because that's the way we do things.
He'll be fine.
It drives, obviously. Awkward high five. Thank you guys for tuning in.
That was a good one.
Yeah! Yeah!
Make sure to click like,
Subscribe!
and
We'll
see you
later.
next time.
I will run away, I don't have to plan it. I can go, change my fate, you won't understand it. All alone, that's okay, people I can't stand them, they don't